Hello, my name is Garnet Pajak. I live in Montreal, Canada, and I have discovered a new Hinge concept that's probably never been thought of before for centuries. For centuries, people, I think, became complacent and thought it was impossible for this Hinge concept to work. See, my Hinge concept is for cupboard doors, refrigerators, windows. There are other applications for it, but the physics is so simple and so perfect that makes the door possible not only to open on this side, but on the other side as well, and without falling off, so there are no safety concerns. I'd like to show you my prototype that I came up with, and it's funny. I made the prototype out of cardboard to show you how easy and simple the physics really is. So in the prototype, this is the frame of the door, this is the door itself. If I pull on both sides at the same time with equal force, it stays locked shut. But if I open one side, the hinges lock in place on the opposite side and the door stays on. And then if I open it on the other side, the hinges lock in place and the door doesn't fall off or anything. I'm amazed about this discovery. I don't think anyone's ever thought of it. They probably thought it was impossible to do, but it's so simple and the physics is yet so perfect. I'm looking for a manufacturer and a marketing and design team, and the cost of manufacturing the hinge is a low-cost production because all you have to do is print and stamp one piece over and over again 1,000 times over and over again. And that's my presentation. That's my hinge concept. Thank you.